I lost 110 pounds on the carnivore diet. But if I had to start all over again and it still weighed 350 pounds, I'd do it differently this time. Because one mistake I made cost me 5 full weeks of progress. And if you're in your first 30 days, it could cost you 2. At 348 pounds, I did not need more information on how to diet. I needed change in my life. But early on, I slowed myself down. Not because the carnivore diet didn't work, but because I didn't understand how to work it and work with it. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or older, you don't have 5 weeks to waste. Let me show you in this video what I would do differently if I had to start all over again. The first thing I would do is eat more fat. When I started this diet, I was still thinking like a low-fat dieter, so I was under-eating. I was picking leaner cuts of meat. I was eating smaller portions because I brought all of that low-fat, portion-sized diet baggage into this diet with me. I was trying to be disciplined. I was trying to have willpower, and I stalled. Here's the truth. If you're hungry all the time while you're following the carnivore diet, you're not broken. The diet's not broken. You're under fueling and not eating enough. Eating the animal fat keeps you feeling full for longer. It gives you more energy. Without it, carnivore is going to feel much harder than it ever should. You're much better off when you're starting to overeat beef, bacon, eggs, and butter than trying to undereat them and keep yourself hungry for longer, which is going to lead you to cheating and binging, which is never going to be good for you. If you can only remember one thing from this video, that's it. Eat more fat. But that wasn't the mistake that cost me 5 weeks of progress. The second thing I would do differently is I would not try to be perfect. When I first started, I fell for all the other carnivore hype videos that you see, and I thought I needed all my meat to be grass-fed, all my meat to be organic. I thought I needed perfect timing on when I eat, perfect execution, how much I could eat, when I could eat it. I thought I needed all of that. All that did was slow me down. Brother, let me tell you, 80/20 ground beef from Walmart cooked in butter can change your life. Trying to be perfect, chasing that perfection, it's just going to slow down the action that you can take in your life. Action is what builds the momentum. Momentum is what builds your discipline. And honestly, that perfection mindset is what led me into the mistake that cost me 5 weeks. And here's the one that actually cost me 5 weeks. I started fasting way too early. I saw other guys fasting. I saw them having great results with it. So I jumped in with both feet. The problem was I jumped in before my hunger stabilized. I jumped in before my body had adapted to a fat burning lifestyle and before my cravings settled. What I was doing was trying to stack intensity, making the diet more intense to work better. I was stacking it on top of instability, and my body pushed back, and boy, did my body push back hard. My energy crashed. I had no energy. I didn't want to do anything. The scale did not move for weeks. For 5 weeks, that scale never moved. That's when doubt started creeping into my thinking, because I started thinking, hey, it's just all this cracked up to be. Maybe it's not working. Maybe I'm broken. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. So for 5 weeks, progress just crawled. And that was the cost. Not because the carnivore diet failed, because I rushed using a tool too early. Fasting is very powerful, but it's not a starting strategy. It's not something you should try in the first 30 days on carnivore. When I stopped forcing the fasting and went back to eating 3 solid meals a day, got my electrolyte drink in every morning, fat loss resumed. My momentum came back, and that's when things really took off and accelerated. Look at me for a second. You don't need motivation. You need structure. 3 meals a day of beef, bacon, eggs, and butter, 1 electrolyte drink daily, no junk food. Repeat it. It's simple, it's boring, repeat it. That's it. That will lead you to success. Now, the weight I lost, that 110 pounds, that was physical, that was great. But the real shift that I went through was I stopped quitting on myself. The fat loss gave me proof that I was not quitting on myself. The discipline, I kept with it. We got to get that straight. Mindset changed, my identity changed, fat loss was a byproduct, and I'm never going back to the way I was before. In my next video, I'm gonna break down the 5 biggest mistakes men make in week 1 on the carnivore diet, because I made every single one of them. And if you're starting carnivore, watch that video next. Don't waste 5 weeks like I did. Start smarter, stick to it. You're not too far gone. Stay strong.